think there is generally, we find confusion with lot owners and generally thinking that the strata managers are the ones that are actually running the council rather than the council instructing the strata manager. So are you able to talk on that just for a few minutes, Scott?
Yeah, absolutely. Like in the end, as I highlighted previously, Section 135 talks about the functions and the constitution of the council, and ultimately the role of the council is to perform all the duties of the strata company, and the strata manager is a contracted service supplier to the strata company, and we need that direction from the council with regards to most of the duties we undertake on behalf of the strata company. As long as we're informing the council and providing our expertise around the legislation and helping keeping them informed on the bylaws that also govern the scheme, it then falls to the council of owners to whether they want to take on that advice or want to instruct us differently. Ultimately, as long as as long as we feel that it's not going to cause significant detriment to the scheme, by and large, and as long as we inform the council along the way, we generally tend to do what the council asks us to do.